So having the stage for just a moment, isn't it interesting how industry, across industry, education, manufacturing, distribution, all the kinds of things that are necessary for our human development, sustenance, and even thrivability are now taking an evo-leap in our understanding and the ways in which we're interacting with each other, given an understanding that we really do need to learn how to work together better and evolve as a planetary civilization, not just a national citizenry. Why do I say that? Because we live on one planet, we have one air that we breathe. You know, there are so many things that bring us together that we've been ignorant of for millennia. And now I think it's being stressed that it's important that we bring that back into focus.